respected teachers, and my dear fellow comrades.
Today, we gather with a special focus on fundamental rights by words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Quote by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Rights are not protected by law, but by the social and moral conscience of society.
Let us now begin our morning assembly with our moment of gratitude and reflection. Please join us for the prayer song. Now we go ahead for the special prayer. Thank you for the special prayer. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Covenantal God, Covenantal God, Covenantal God, our guardian angel,
Let's start the skit.
let us now invite Class 60 to present the skit highlighting the importance of fundamental rights in our daily lives.
Are you ready for today's quiz? Yes, I'm ready. The time is now.
Yes, and let's prepare for the quiz. Good morning, dear children.
Morning, ma'am.
Are you prepared for the quiz? That is today. Everyone gets a chance to participate and win.
But she's from a different class.
In our classroom, everyone is equal. So let's celebrate our diversity. I want to be an astronaut. And I want to be a writer.
My dream is to be an IAS officer and serve my country.
You all have the freedom
Good morning, everyone. We are here to discuss about our fundamental rights and their importance. Who would like to start?
Mr. Mayor, can you talk about the right to voting?
Certainly, let's hear from Isha, who represents to equality.
Morning, everyone. I am the right. I ensure everyone is treated equally before the law without any discrimination based on religion, race, caste, gender, or place of birth. Isha, how does it decide our culture? Isha, it prevents discrimination and promotes fairness. For example, in a workplace, everyone should have the same opportunity for promotion and pay regardless of their background. That's reassuring.
My child faced many discrimination at school because of her caste. This right can truly make a difference.
Absolutely, Mrs. Mehta. This right ensures that your daughter is treated with the same respect and given the same opportunities as everyone else.
Thank you, Isha. Let's hear about the right to freedom.
Yes, Mayor, I would like to hear about it.
Prinal, could you elaborate?
Good morning. On the right to freedom, I encompass various freedoms such as speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and the right to practice any profession.
Rinal, can you give us an example of how we use these freedoms in our town?
Certainly, Rahul, freedom of speech allows you to voice your opinions in front of the meetings without any fear and retribution. Freedom of assembly let us gather peacefully like during our annual cultural festival.
Rinal, how does the freedom of press fit into the right to freedom?
Excellent point, Mrs. Sunita. Freedom of press is a part of speech and expression. It ensures that journalists can report the news without any fear and retribution.
Thank you, Rinal. Now let's discuss the right against exploitation.
Isn't it about preventing child labor?
Exactly. Ravi, could you tell us more?
Good morning. I'm the right against exploitation. I protect you from forced labor and child labor. Every citizen has the right to be free from exploitation.
Ravi, how does this right our culture for protecting valuable members of our community? Can you give us an example?
Of course, Nisha. Imagine a child working in a factory instead of going to school. This right ensures that the child is not exploited and gets the knowledge they deserve.
How can businesses ensure they are not violating this right?
Businesses should follow ethical practices and provide safe working conditions and ensure fair wages and follow labor laws.
Thank you, Ravi. Let's hear the right to the freedom of religion.
Good morning. I am the right of freedom to religion. I guarantee that every citizen has the freedom to practice, profess and propagate their religion without any fear.
Reena, how should ensure harmony in our divine community?
Great question, Amit. This right allows everyone to follow their own beliefs and traditions, which fosters mutual respect and understanding. This right is important for diverse country like ours. It ensures that all religion are respected.
Reena, how can we teach our children about this right?
By promoting tolerance and respect in school, encouraging children to learn about different religions and celebrate diverse traditions and respect each other's.
Thank you, Reena. Let's discuss the cultural and educational rights.
Good morning. I am cultural and educational rights. I ensure right of every country to preserve its cultural language and ensure rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their own choice. Chitra, how does this rights help us to maintain our culture? This right helps us to cultural language because this tells us that our cultural heritage is preserved and maintains its unique identity.
Wow, this is wonderful. My son attends a school that teaches our traditional language and it helps him to stay connected to our roots.
Good morning, everyone. I am the right to constitutional remedies. I empower citizens to move the court to enforce their fundamental rights if they are violated.
These rights act as the guardians of other rights.
rights. Can you explain how it's work?
Of course, sir. If any of your fundamental rights are violated, you can approach the Supreme Court or High Court to seek justice. This right ensures that there is legal mechanism to protect your rights.
This right gives us the power to fight for our rights and ensures that justice is served.
As a policeman, I ensure that these rights are upheld and no one denied their fundamental rights. We are here to protect and serve our community.
And as a judge, I am here to ensure that justice is served and any violation of this right is addressed. Our judiciary is the guardian of this right.
So, dear students, what did you learn about these fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution of India are the pillars that uphold our democracy and protect every citizen. Remember them, cherish them, and ensure they upheld in our society.
Thank you, Class 6D, for that enlightening performance.
Let us now pledge to uphold and protect the fundamental rights of all individuals, ensuring dignity and equality for everyone.
We, the students of Mount Carmel School,
We, the students of Mount Carmel School,
pledge to uphold and
pledge to uphold and
cherish the fundamental rights
cherish the fundamental
enshrined in the Constitution of India.
rights of the Constitution of India.
We pledge to respect and promote the
Promote the
rights to equality,
rights to equality,
ensuring fair treatment for all
ensuring fair treatment for all
without discrimination.
without discrimination.
We pledge
We pledge
to exercise our rights
to exercise our
to freedom
freedom
in expressing fair treatment for all,
in expressing fair treatment for all.
responsibly and assembling peacefully. We pledge
We pledge
to support
to support
culture and educational rights,
culture, education, and science,
preserving the culture
pursuing the culture
and language of all communities.
and language of all
We
communities.
pledge
We pledge
to honor
honor
the rights to freedom
right to freedom
of religion, respecting everyone's freedom
respecting everyone's freedom
to practice their faith.
to practice their faith.
We pledge
We pledge
to defend
the
the rights against exploitation,
rights and exploitation,
opposing forced labor,
opposing forced labor,
child labor,
child labor,
and human trafficking.
and human trafficking.
We pledge
We pledge
to uphold the right to
to uphold the right to
constitutional remedies.
constitutional remedies.
By taking this pledge,
By taking this pledge,
we commit to be
we commit to be
responsible citizens,
responsible citizens,
upholding the values of